So what is an IFMS? This is a very pertinent question, or a question with great confusion that arises in the mind of apartment owners. What are their rights? How can they recover it from the promoter? Why is it collected by the promoter? All these questions are going to be answered in this video. Hi, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this apartment law awareness video series, I am going to inform you all about interest-free maintenance security, or in short, the IFMS money. So, whenever you will approach any promoter for purchasing or booking an apartment in its project, they will separately show a charge of IFMS, which may be varying from rupees 20 to up to 100 rupees or 200 rupees per square feet. In the sale agreement, the terms of the collection of the IFMS may not be defined very properly. However, in practice, the IFMS money is a money which a builder collects from all the apartment owners to manage or to repair or to replace or to do the major repairs in a building. This is also sometimes referred to as sinking fund. Once it has been collected by the builder, same has to be transferred to the apartment owner association at the time of the handover of the maintenance of the common areas and facilities. It cannot be transferred back to the individual apartment allottee, rather it has to go to the apartment owner association, and the apartment owner association is in practice obliged to get done a fixed deposit of the same at the highest rate possible, after inviting quotation from different banks or inquiring from different banks that what is the best rate of interest that they can offer, and depending upon whichsoever bank will give the highest rate of interest, an apartment owner association will get their fixed deposit done with that bank. So in 5 years or 4 years, whenever any major repair will be required, like replacement of the lifts, painting of the building, etc., all these things will be covered by the interest that is accrued out of the interest-free maintenance security fund. So this is all with respect to interest-free maintenance security. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for staying with me during this video.